This is one of the things that I bought from TJ Maxx. So I chose this white tree instead of the little red tree that I had to make a choice about, and decided that I was going to just put it in the middle of my table. I'm not big with decorating for Christmas since the kids are gone. They used to help me do all the decorating, and I realized I have a lot of things still up in the attic. I also purchased these sage and magnolia candles. I bought 4 of them. They were a real good price. I think like $4.99. And this turntable, this wooden turntable, I realized it's really useful in that we can put the salt and pepper shaker on there. Somebody who won't need the salt and pepper shaker, just turn it toward them and they can get it. Yeah, and I'm going to show you the rest of what I purchased right now. Hello, good evening. Now, in my previous video, you guys saw me in TJ Maxx. I went in TJ Maxx so I could vlog, show you some things that were available for Christmas, and to keep up my Vlogmas videos, just to keep them going on. Well, let's just say I didn't go shopping, but I went shopping. Yes, so here are some things that I purchased. As a matter of fact, at the beginning of the video, you saw what I chose to put on my dining room table. And so here we go. I'm going to tell you what I purchased while I was there. I found this faux leather headband, and it's handmade, and I thought that it would be a good purchase, something I could wear to hold my hair back out of my face. So I purchased this. I purchased 2 bottles of the OPI top coat, and then I purchased 1 bottle of the OPI nail polish. And these were all on clearance. So although I didn't go shopping for anything that was full price. Not saying I didn't purchase anything that was full price, but yes. I also purchased these ponytail holders, the ouchless ponytail holders. And I am just realizing now that these are a part of the whole package, that these are actually ponytail holders. I thought I only had the fabric ponytail holders, but got 3 like this as well. And if you notice, and I'm gonna look for it, can't find the price right now, it came off, but this is also clearance. Now, I could not, you guys, I'm a sucker for candles. I just want you to know that. I'm a sucker for candles. There's candles in every room in my house. And when I say candles, I mean more than one. And I was looking at these candles, especially the natural soy blend, because if I melt them and don't burn them, I could also use them as a moisturizer on my hands, and I do it often. But this one is sage and magnolia. And when I took a whiff of this, just know, I thought about my mom, because she loved the smell of magnolia. And this sage and magnolia, you can't beat the scent of that. That's why I bought 4 of them, and 3 of them are on my centerpiece on my dining room table. In addition to that, I bought some silver hoop earrings. There they go. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It just suckered me right in. Just right in. I love them. And then I bought some shampoo. I bought this shampoo just because it was $3. Just because it was $3. I bought this shampoo. And it's a New Zealand Manuka honey, wheat protein, and jojoba oil. And it says it restores lost moisture and luster. But you know I'm using my purple shampoo now where I added my peppermint oil. And if I use this in the future, I'm adding peppermint oil to that as well. I bought some tea tree mint shampoo. And this is a clarifying shampoo that I'll be taking to the salon so that Jackie can shampoo my clients who have locks and want their hair shampooed. I also purchased a Scalp Relief Tea Tree shampoo. For those clients that may come into the salon and say that they have itchy scalp, this is the shampoo that's going to be used on their scalp. In addition to what I purchased earlier, and I said I love candles, I just love scents. And lavender is relaxing, and I like to spray my pillow. So I purchased some pillow spray in the scent of lavender, and it says relax on the front. Spray this on your pillow, you have a wonderful night's sleep. Yep, this is a part of my self-care. Now, you saw where I tried on 2 jackets in the previous videos. And if you've watched my channel for any amount of time, long enough, you know that my weakness is jackets. I love jackets. Jackets can change the whole look of your outfit. And so I'm going to show you the first one. And I'm going to add a clip from the previous video with me wearing this jacket that I purchased. It is a crop, pretty much tweed jacket. Never heard of this company before. C by 1, and I purchased it in medium. And this jacket was also on clearance. And I'll show you what it looks like in the clip that I sit right next to this one. The other jacket that I purchased was by Sam Edelman, and it's a faux leather jacket, faux leather quilted jacket. It really looks like a shacket because it looks like a shirt. On the side, there's that little small pleat right there. I couldn't leave it in the store. I couldn't leave it. It was calling my name. I didn't try to step away. But when I was going up to it, I know it was either saying Jean or it was saying Sylvia. And then just maybe Mrs., you know. I couldn't leave it. I could not. And when I decided that it was time for me to get out of that store, I just had to get out of there because I was spending money that I did not come to spend. Not money that I could not afford to spend because, you know, I told you I've been saving. But as I was walking out the door, this turtleneck sweater was hanging on a rack right out the door. First thing that got me was the color. You see, purple is my favorite color. I think it's more like an eggplant. Purple, eggplant, maroon, same difference. I love them all. And it was in my size, a medium by Calvin Klein, and I grabbed it. you'll see me wearing these eventually in another video when I show you my outfit of the day. But I had to come back and show you my TJ Maxx haul. And I call this a haul because I don't know the last time that I've gone into TJ Maxx and purchased this many things. But I'm pleased with everything that I purchased. And I want to thank you, subscribers, for your support and continuing to watch my channel. And if you've been watching this video and you have not subscribed to this channel yet, come on, join the Gene G family. Click the subscribe button and that notification bell and just become a part of the family so you know every time I upload a video. Because family knows what family is doing. And we care. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends, my family, my subscribers, and my followers. But I especially love God. Because God has been so good to me. He keeps blessing me over and over and over again. And I am so grateful. Have a great day. If I feel like changing my clothes and stuff, I'd have went and did my next video.
Your next?